In today's video, I'll tell you 10 small business ideas for women in Nigeria this 2026 that you can start with little money and grow fast. These businesses can generate daily income or weekly income. And if you stay till the end, I'll show you how to go from trying to make money to actually making money. You see, I'm sure you may not be new to business. You might have been trying somehow, but you're not making money. Why is that? You lack structure. There is no pricing strategy, no consistency. Business is not about activity, it's about results. So the first business of the day is the home food business. You are a woman, you have all the tools in your house. So cook that food at home. Advertise it on your WhatsApp. Tell people you cook rice, beans, swallow, vegetable, stew. Tell them they have an option of choosing between this soup and that soup. Give them options. Let them feel good with themselves. If you stay in a student environment, talk to students. You know, students are always lazy to cook. Be the one to give them that food. Cook it in the comfort of your home. Go and get foil paper plates or get those takeaway plates. Package them. If they want only soup, package soup. Get a small scale that you can get between 15 to 25,000 naira so that you can weigh your soup. So kg is so price. Make sure your business is structured. That is one of the problems that small businesses have. The fact that your business is small does not mean that your pricing should not be structured, does not mean that your processes should not be structured. Ensure that you go, as you are buying your food stuff, buy your scale along with it. Buy your takeaway pack along with it. If you can, make stickers. Even if it's small stickers, make them, because that is what will advertise you. Ensure that your phone number is on your sticker. And then when you cook and serve someone, believe me, as long as that food is tasty, others will come back. Even based on your WhatsApp status alone, you start getting clients, let alone the word of mouth, let alone referral. The next business is the ice block business. Do you know that ice block business are making money daily for individuals, for women in Nigeria? In fact, if you have ice block business, go to people who advertise for event planning. You see these women that advertise cakes in front of their shop and those decoration stuff that they plan events. Go and tell them. They will be the one to advertise you when the occasion comes. Aside from you telling all the shops around you, whether it's provision shop, those small mama shopping around you, let them know that there's somebody selling ice block in your vicinity. When people ask, they'll be the one directing them to your gate. You will just see that without you doing much, after the first, second advertisement, people will start coming based on referrals. And guess what? You already have a freezer in your home. Start making that ice block little by little until you are able to afford buying a freezer meant for ice block. Do you know there's a freezer that is designed to make ice? Yeah. Eventually, when your business grows, you'll be able to buy that freezer and be doing your business on a better scale. This business can help you generate daily income without you stressing, especially on weekends. Your hot cake. Another business is plantain chips and potato chips business. I have someone in my environment that sells plantain and potato chips, and that is what she uses in training her children through school. She has 3 children. When the children return from school, they come join her in the shop and they continue the business. While the children are in school, she does mostly supplies. In fact, these days, a lot of people come to pick up their supplies from her shop because she already has it in bulk, in packs. Like, she already has customers and those customers are giving her lots of demand. So she has lots to supply to. That can be you. This is a daily income business. Children must eat chips. They must wind their mouths. Even adults. In the office, you don't want to buy donuts. You don't want to buy puff. You may not want to buy egg roll. You don't want to buy meat pie. But when you see plantain chips, you buy because it gives you the feeling of healthy. When you see potato chips, you buy because it gives you the feeling of healthy. So guess how many people buy plantain and potato chips every day? You could just be that business owner. Another business is the liquid soap business. Some people say liquid soap, are you sure it's not saturated? Liquid soap business is still not saturated if you know what you're doing. Yes, you are going to need LAFDAC eventually. But while you're still selling it at home as small scale business, you'll be making your money daily. There are many shops in your environment that will take your stock, sell to people, give you back your money. There are some offices that buy this liquid soap in 25 kg. Go and look for the market. You will get it. Learn how to make the soap and start selling. You will start making daily or weekly money on liquid soap. Another business is a snacks business, whether it's puff, chin, akara crumbs. You know they do akara crumbs as snacks, right? Yeah. When you go to these big supermarkets, I don't like to mention names, you are going to see them there and they are selling it at exorbitant amount. I think I saw one for 4,000 naira. I'm like, Akara crumbs, are you for real? And I think that that is even calling cheap. Right? These businesses give you daily cash, daily income, because people always want to have something to chew, whether it's chin chin, whether it's puff puff, whether it's akara, snacks in general. People are interested in them. Another daily income business is bottled water and pure water business. I have someone in my office that sells bottled water every day. That is not what she's employed for, to be honest, but she does that as a side also. And we actually patronize her because before you know it, customers and other staff may have finished the water in the dispenser, but before they can refill it, we need water. We get from her, and she uses the office fridge to even cool our water. This is not to say that that is what you should do, but if you have that opportunity, please take it. However, if you're not selling it in your office, this is a business that you can sell even in your vicinity. If people know that they can get packs of bottled water from you, that is cold. Packs of pure water from you, that is cold. Believe me, they are going to leave all those women out there that are saying, I cannot sell cold water at so rate. You sell your own at normal rate. Let them come and pick the bags in your house and you'll be making your money daily. It is daily income we're after right now. We don't want to start tying down our money. Another daily income business is hair making business. You can make hair from the comfort of your home. Believe me, if you tell people in your environment that you do make hair, you see your number one customer will be those school pupils. They're so sweet. Every weekend they will make their hair. Now, adults don't make hair mostly on weekends. They want to make it on weekday because they know that those children will be everywhere during the weekend. So you will still have customers to make hair during the weekday, thereby giving you daily income. So if you're someone who can learn this skill, please make it a point of duty to do that. Learn the skill, advertise to people in your environment, and you will start getting referral as long as you know your onion, you know how to make the hair. Another business is the roasted groundnut business. Do you know that you can make money on roasted groundnuts? If you learn how to make roasted groundnuts, package it in bottles. The last one I bought was 3,500 naira for a bottle. I mean, if you supply that to shops, to stores around your environment, and even outside your environment, you'll be making your money daily. People love groundnut in Nigeria. Whether they are drinking garri, they are eating bread, or they are even taking it as a snack, people want to eat groundnut. And if your groundnut is well toasted, people will patronize you and keep coming back. Just ensure that whatever sticker you're using on your bottle has your phone number on it so that they can contact you directly. Another weekly income business is makeup business. Whether people are doing get together, or they are having one function or the other, or they are having a happy day, or they are going to one day, people want someone who will shoot their videos. And as long as they know that you do this for a living, they will patronize you. Just make sure that your price is competitive. This is a business you can do from the comfort of your home. I know someone, a man who does this for a living, and he uses his flat to do his business as well. This is not to encourage you to do your business in your home because there are dangers to it as well. However, this is what this man does. And till today, he's still making his money from shooting from the comfort of his home. He only dedicated a part of his home to this business. So imagine having a 3-bedroom flat or a 4-bedroom flat and you dedicate one room, decorate it, fill it up just for this purpose. You are going to be making daily or weekly income from this business. The next business is seasonal fruit business. Depending on the kind of place you live, from the comfort of your home, you can start selling seasonal fruits. Imagine packaging apples, packaging strawberries, packaging pears, packaging plum, mangoes, and getting a scale for you to measure it. Tell people what you sell. You sell fruits, and then supplying people. You see those bars at night where people eat and drink. Tell them you sell fruits, packaged fruits. In the evening, go there, sit around. As they get their order, you ask if they would like fruits. Tell them about the fruit you sell and you will see how you'll be selling. Aside that, you can also sell it on your phone. Post these fruits that you're selling. People in your environment will tell you, I need fruit. Sometimes some of us don't have time to buy fruit on the road because one, these fruits may not even be fresh. Secondly, you may not even have the time to stop. But if I keep seeing your fruit on your WhatsApp display, somehow I'll get to buy. I'll get to tell you one day, okay, give me 1 kg. Okay, give me 2 kg of that. How many is in 2 kg? You're able to tell them, okay, look at the scale. When you're snapping, you snap with the scale now. You'll be doing the before and after, the behind the scene on your WhatsApp page. And you see how people will start patronizing you. You don't need millions to start. You need direction. And once you get it right, your life can change completely. These are 10 small businesses Nigerian women can start and grow into daily income. If you're seeing my face for the first time, I'm Olufunke Odode, and this is my channel. If you want more videos like this, do well to watch these videos next. I'll be seeing you in my next video.